In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add interactions fundamentals in TradingView Pro. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to find this feature, how to turn it on, and how you can use it to get a better sense of what's happening around a stock or asset from a social and engagement point of view. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open for any symbol you want to analyze. It could be a stock, a crypto pair, or any other asset. Once your chart is open and visible on the screen, look toward the top of the chart area for the Indicators button. This is usually labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up the Indicators panel, which is where TradingView keeps all of its built-in tools, community scripts, and different types of data overlays. Inside this Indicators window, you'll see a few different categories on the left-hand side or along the top, depending on your layout. What you want to look for is the Fundamentals section. Fundamentals are things like earnings, financial ratios, and other company data that sit on top of your price chart to give you more context. Click on Fundamentals to filter the list, so you're only seeing tools related to that type of information. Within Fundamentals, TradingView also breaks things down into more specific areas. One of these is the social category. This is where data related to sentiment, engagement, or interactions is grouped. Find and click on social to narrow it down further. This is useful because it keeps everything organized and saves you from scrolling through a huge list of unrelated indicators. Now that you're inside the social section, look for the item called Interactions. This is the fundamentals layer we want to add to your chart. When you see interactions in the list, simply click on it once. TradingView will automatically apply it to your active chart. You should now see an additional overlay or panel that reflects social interaction data tied to the asset you're viewing. If the chart looks crowded, you can always adjust the settings, change colors, or hide, and show the interactions layer from the chart's legend on the left or right side, depending on your setup. That's all you need to do to add interactions fundamentals in TradingView Pro. If you'd like to start using TradingView Pro and follow along with tools like this, use the link in my description to sign up.